In this video, we'll be going over the multi-field question type. So let's go ahead and add a multi-field. In this example, we'll use what is your legal name. We'll set this ID to name. Now we can add our fields below. So say we want to ask for their first name and their last name in separate fields. When we click on Add Field, this will bring up a menu of the question types. And in this case, we'll want to add a short text, which is a single line input. So we'll want to keep our field labels short because in the questionnaire, these fields will appear right beside each other. So let's call this first name. We'll set this ID as first. Then we'll add a field for our last name. We'll set this ID to last. So in our Word document, say we had a letter that we wanted to address to just their first name. We could say, Dear, and we want to start a variable with the ID for the multi-field, which would be name. Then we'll use dot notation to access the fields. So to get their first name, we would write name.first. Alternatively, if you want both fields and their full name, you could write name.first followed by name.last. So let's go ahead and upload this into our template. Save our template. Let's head over to our questionnaire. So we'll enter a first name and a last name. Then we'll submit. So now you can see in our output document, the first line contains just the first name, and the next line contains both the first name and the last name.